Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on measuring your blood oxygen on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Make sure that the watch is snugly on your wrist and just above your wrist bone. Tap the side button to wake the screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Tap SpO2. Your watch will immediately start to measure your blood oxygen level. Wait for the red bar to complete the circle. Your blood oxygen percentage will appear on the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.